Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a gun panel in Unity and change the gun sprite with button click. So I have created a simple scene, then go to hierarchy and create right click, then create UI UI and canvas, then change the canvas setting and go to canvas, click on screen space with camera, drag and drop the camera, then go to canvas scaler, change the scale with screen size. Now canvas size is exactly set with the camera size and it's changed according to the mobile screen. Then right click on canvas, create UI and panel. Let's change the panel alpha to 0, name it gun panel. Right click again on gun panel, go to UI, create another panel, also change the alpha to 0, then go to the panel and go to add component, find scroll react, change its setting to horizontally, then go to canvas, create an empty object, drag and drop this empty object into content of scroll react, then go to empty object and add component horizontal layout group, change its size to upper center, then go to game object and right click on it, UI button, let's increase the size of our game object. Now go to horizontal group layout and click on middle center, go to button and delete the text. Now let's test our panel is working or not. Now panel is working. Now go to the button and drag and drop the images that you want. Now its size is too big, we have to decrease its size this way. Now create duplicate object and let's go to the line spacing and change its setting. Now change the gun according to the sprite. Let's test this. You see that the guns are moving. Duplicate one more time, change it with other gun and so on. You can change it according to your need. Let's go to the script side, go to canvas, create gun, change script, create and add, double click on it and open it in Visual Studio. So we have to change the gun. When we click on button, simply click public, sprite array, and name it gun sprites. Create a function. We have to remove this public void gun change int I. So we can change the gun according to the index. So first let's go to the scene and go to sprites and drag and drop any gun. Let's use this one. Change its position to there so we can see. Name it gun sprite. Now go to write game object dot find, easy way. Copy this name, paste, dot get component, sprite renderer, and dot get sprite, dot sprite equals to gun sprite and dot I is the index where we change the sprite in this way. Now let's save it with one line code. Now go to the game of buttons, select all, go to the button and on click event, click on plus and drag and drop this canvas in all of the buttons and click on function change gun and find the function change gun int. Now you see that the array start from 0. So first index is 0, the second button index is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Save it. Now go to the canvas and go to the script size, change its size to according to the guns. So drag and drop these guns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I think we have 4 guns. Save it. Let's test it. Now you see that when I click on button, the gun sprite is changed. It says that we have to, it gives the error because we cannot give the last gun. Its index is 4. So let's test it again. You can change the gun according to your need, or you can implement it in your Unity project. If you have any question or suggestion, you can leave a comment. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video.